Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So I did not plan on recording any more videos today. However, right after I got done recording my Ipsy subscriptions unboxings, the mailman came with my Boxy Premium. So this is my second Boxy Premium box, and I absolutely loved the first one. And so I am super excited of this one. So this one is Boxy Premium is $35 a month, and you get 6 full-size products with a guaranteed value of $175. Yeah, $175. So I'm hoping I like it as much as I did last month. So it looks like this. Comes packaged like this. You've got all your products here, and your the card that tells you the theme, your variation, the products in your box, and how much they cost. So you do have the ability to customize the one product in your box. I believe for February it was a choice between the Sutra Beauty flat iron and the iconic eyeshadow palette. So alright, I have variation 23, and the theme for the month is Adore, I think. I'm guessing because that's the only thing that says on here. Okay, so I will start with what I picked, which was the Sutra Beauty ceramic flat iron. We did have a mini flat iron from Sutra before, and I believe it was one of the Boxy Luxe boxes, and I couldn't really get a whole lot of use out of that one because it was so incredibly tiny. It was made for Barbie doll hair, because it surely wasn't going to do anything for mine, and my hair is thin and I couldn't really use it. So I'm excited to give this a try. It does have the little case that you can put it back in, and it looks like it came with a 25% off coupon code for sutrabeauty.com. So that's nice. Oh, it looks like they have a whole lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay, and then it also gives you a warranty and a safety card. So there's that. It is, I don't know if they were all the same color or not. I know when we got the mini palettes, they were they had different colors. I don't know if they do for these ones, but this one is a blue one, and it seems fairly it's not like super heavy, but it seems fairly durable at the same time. So it looks like it's got these here, which I like because you can kind of use these as grips, you know, if you need to, without burning your fingers, which I have done many times. And then it looks like you got your on and off switch here, and then your temperature gauge here. I do wish that it had a spot where it would actually tell you what the exact temperature is, but that's okay. And then does it have, okay, this one might not have it. Some of them have a thing on the back of them where when you're not using them, you can put them together like this for storage. It doesn't look like this one has it, but that's okay because that's not a huge deal. So I'm definitely very, 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 very excited to give this a try. And that retails for $79.99. So that's an $80 straightener. So that's, I mean, that's not bad. It's a $50 box. So we are already off to an amazing start. The second thing in here is from Glow Recipe. And this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is what the package looks like. We did get a, I believe it was a watermelon mask or moisturizer, I believe, from Glow Recipe last month in my Boxy Premium. So, and I do really like that, and that one smells absolutely amazing. So I'm very excited to get this. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's a really cute, kind of unique bottle. I was not expecting to see it, to see what the actual container looks like. So, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh, that smells so amazing. So incredibly amazing. So, let's see. It is used as a hydrating glow mist. 2 to 3 times across the face. Hold closer to the face for maximum dewy effect, and use throughout the day. You can also use it as a makeup prep, so you can use it before you put your makeup on or after you put your makeup on, and then kind of just throughout the day. So I'm super excited to get that. That smells absolutely amazing. And that is, this is $28. So again, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, then we have, this is from Hourglass. I don't think I have anything from Hourglass at all, actually. So yeah, no, I don't. So this is the, what is this? Oh, okay. So this is what the package looks like. It's just like a little gold, rose gold there, kind of reflective. Ooh, it does have a little mirror, and then that is the shade there. It's kind of like a marble look, which it kind of reminds me of the blush that I got last month from Ciate London. So that is what it looks like. It's kind of, I'm not sure if it would be super pigmented. It might be buildable, but it's, I don't know. It does seem fairly sheer on the skin. And this is $40? Are you kidding me? 40. So I mean, I guess it is buildable. But $40 for a blush. Yeah. Okay, I guess we'll go with that. But this would have to work pretty amazing in order for me to ever in a million years spend $40 on just this. That's a little crazy to me. Okay. The next thing we have is from, I think it's Fascia Skincare. I don't know. I do not know. I've never heard of this brand. This is a 24K gold foil moisturizer. Okay, and it is, if I can get it open, it is packaged pretty well. Okay, that is not something I'm used to seeing with Boxycharm. A lot of times, I think they take products out of the boxes in order to kind of offset the cost of shipping and make it easier to package. But this is wrapped up pretty tight. Okay, let me see if I can find something. And of course not. Okay. Oh my goodness. Open, 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 open. Oh my gosh. Okay. They were to make sure that you had to work to get into this box. Goodness. All right. This is what the packaging looks, or the box looks like, and then open it up. Okay, now, wow. Okay, this is what the container looks like. It's got that for the lid. It definitely, I now see why it's got the 24K gold or 24K name. Let's go ahead and open that. Oh, it smells good. Okay. This is kind of reminds me more like a gel than like a lotion moisturizer, if that makes sense. But oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. That feels so good on your skin. And this is actually a pretty heavy duty bottle, actually, or a little jar. So this retails for $100. $100, guys. $100. Wow. All right. So I think we have most definitely got well worth the amount of money that we paid for this box. So, all right, the next thing we have is from Tarte Cosmetics, and I was really hoping that I got this because I've been wanting to try it. This is the Tarte High Performance Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I have been wanting to try this. I just haven't taken the plunge to actually buy it because some of Tarte's products are a little hit and miss for me. I like some of them, and others I just do not like at all. So this is what it looks like. It's got that same lid, you know, packaging that a lot of the Tarte stuff has, and then it's a little pump bottle. Okay, and it looks like that. So it's got more of like a lotion-y effect to it. It smells good. Oh, I really like that too. Okay. This does feel like it could maybe be a little bit more oily on your skin. But I don't know. It could just, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to use it, and I will definitely let you know what I think. And this is $30. So that's not too terribly bad. That is a pretty good sized bottle. So, and then the last thing that we have is from Caress, and it is a body butter. And this is It says pure cotton pure cotton body butter, 96.6% natural content. Okay. It smells good. So that is what it looks like. It is a big bottle. It was a very big bottle, actually. So it smells very nice. It does seem to blend out quite easily. Just one second. All right. Yeah, it does seem to blend out very easily. So I will definitely give it a try. So that is everything that we got in this month's Boxy Premium. So I'm going to now tally up everything that we got and see exactly what kind of a value we do have. So wow. Okay, guys. This is a $50 box. $50. With a value of $309.99. That is a huge, huge, huge value for a $50 box. So, so far I'm liking Boxy Premium so far. So this is only, like I said, only my second box, but I loved my box last month, and so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing out of this box. And yeah, I mean, for a $309 value on a $50 box, you clearly got your money's worth out of it. So I'm super excited to try all of these products, and I will let you know how they work in my follow-up review videos that I am still doing. I am a bit behind, but I'm trying to get caught up and everything. So I will get them up, I promise. So anyways, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.